comes another one. We're getting ready to start another one. And we're going to start this one off. Hey, what?
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Are you talking over my drawing?
This isn't you didn't do what? This is mine. This is mine.
No, it's not. It's mine. What are you doing here? What is this? These are supposed to be private.
You didn't tell me that.
Well, I'm telling you that now. What is this, a show?
Yeah, I made a show and people like it. They like watching.
Well, these are my drawings. These are my drawings. This is my tutorial. This is my archive of work. What have you been doing?
I didn't know that this was yours.
You didn't know this is mine. What are you doing on my computer?
Took what you.
How long have you been doing this?
Listen. I can't do much. Okay, I don't have any talent. I just say what comes to mind and I put it out there.
Well, okay. So.
But this is, you can't be a part of this. No, this is my thing.
Well, these are my pictures.
Yeah, but I am the one who knows how to do this.
You're the one, have you been teaching people how to draw using footage of me drawing?
Not really.
Okay. So what's happening here? Well, are people wanting to learn?
They do learn. They learn about life and facts.
But this is a drawing tutorial video, right?
Yes. But what I am doing is I am teaching people about life and the best parts of it.
Okay. Well, if people want to watch this, they're probably trying to find a video that has, somebody teaching them, like, kind of like Bob Ross or somebody like that that's telling you what's going on as we're doing.
Yeah, but
then these are so sped up. Why is it going so fast?
Because I don't have time to sit here and watch you draw a picture. Bob Ross cheated.
He did not.
Yes, Bob Ross cheated. He had a paintbrush that he would, that would erase a picture. And then they would cut, back and forth between him, actually putting paint close to what was the finished products. He was a liar. He was a liar.
Do you hear yourself? Do you hear yourself? He had a special board where he erased.
Yeah, he erased the white away from a picture and it showed up like that.
That's not something that, I don't think that exists.
You don't know.
I do know that.
I'm gonna move on. Just sit there and shut up.
Okay.
Shut up.
Okay. Sorry.
So, today we are drawing Cerberus.
Cerberus.
What?
Cerberus. The C makes an S sound.
I don't have it.
It does.
I don't have that in my notes.
Cerberus, like ceremony.
What do you mean?
Say it with an Italian accent. Hey, I'm a Cerberus. Cerberus.
Okay.
Cerberus.
Cerberus.
That's more French. Cerberus. That's too French.
Cerberus.
Too French.
Anyway, it's a dog with 3 heads.
What else do you know about him? Do you know anything about him?
I know that it is part of a mythological story for Greece. What do you know about it?
Well, Cerberus was the guardian of the underworld.
That's not what he did.
He would keep all of the dead souls in the underworld, and he would keep the souls from getting out. He kept everything in check.
Did you check up your butt?
So anybody that died, they didn't go to. I don't think they had an idea of heaven or hell. They just, when you died, you went to the underworld. Didn't matter. So, it's kind of scary. They had a scary idea of the afterlife.
Grandma, I'm hungry. Make me some food.
No, let's finish this.
Oh, I need a cigarette.
No, you don't. You don't need a cigarette. You don't even smoke.
I think that when people smoke cigarettes, do they sit there and they say, "Oh, this cigarette is delicious. I love it."
Well, you know.
So why did you decide to draw Cerberus?
Because I am in the middle of working on a Greek mythology book that I hope to have done before too long. I don't want to make any promises.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get that done.
Well, you know, I'm giving it a shot. I want to release it as not really a children's book, but kind of an online book.
So dumb. So dumb. Oh no, there's a bee in here.
That was your phone. Your phone was ringing.
Oh damn, I thought it was a bee. Okay, I got it.
Did you kill it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. What'd you kill it with?
Don't worry about that. Show me your muscles.
What?
Show me your muscles.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Squeeze them.
Yeah,
that's good. I like that.
I don't
Windows are for dorks. So, anyway, keep going on the Cerberus here. Cerberus.
Yeah, I told you that's not. It's not French. It's Italian. Oh God, now I can't do it.
See, you don't even.
Well, I know what I'm doing.
No, you don't.
I know what I'm doing.
You come in here and you think, "Oh, I drew the picture, so I know all the facts."
I didn't say I knew all the facts.
You came in here and you said, "Hold the phone, because I know what I'm doing, and you are a turtlehead."
That's not what I said. That's not what I said at all. All I'm doing is trying to. You know what? You've made me change the subject 30 times. I was trying to give a little bit of history to it.
You didn't even say that you were my friend.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know that you were doing this. I just came over here to see what you were doing, and you're in here and you're doing. You know what? It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter.
You don't matter.
So anyway, when you're drawing monsters, you don't have to keep everything really in proportion like you do when you're drawing a person.
I know. Whenever you're drawing a person, you don't want to take this proportion and that proportion and make them, and don't purport.
Well, no, what I meant was
that you were gonna say what I said.
No, that's not what I was gonna say. So, oh God, I can't remember what I was gonna.
Yeah, see,
no,
see what you did. You don't know it all.
Okay, proportions.
Whatever.
So what you want to do when you're making a monster is you want to not really give yourself too many rules. Right. Like we did in the beginning there, I blocked it all out.
Oh, did you?
Those circles to kind of give a little bit of a plan. And
do you know that
then,
you do that too?
Then
right.
And then you just feel free to just make your lines wiggly. I kind of wanted it to be a little more.
Yeah, because that's hard, isn't it? That's really hard.
Not really. Yeah. You know what? Then you tell everybody.
Well, maybe I should. That's what the whole show's about. The show's already about what I'm telling everybody to start doing on here.
Fine, go ahead. You tell them what you think how you should start.
I'll tell you what to do. Here's what you do. Take this part right here, and take this part right here, and you go like this, and you go like that. See, it's easy. They just have to watch.
No, they shouldn't just watch. They need to. Well, people probably are watching this so that you can tell them how to do it like this.
You don't get it.
I do get it.
You don't get it.
But the number one
are a dumb. You are a dumb.
The number one thing with learning how to draw is to do it all the time. Do it all the time. And practice. See, you can watch other people draw. Okay? And then if you want to get if you just can't figure out eyes or hands or arms or leg muscles, then you've got the internet at your disposal. So just go in and look it all up.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on the internet. And there's cooking shows.
No, that's not what I was
There's
talking about.
Wikipedia articles about corners of your butt.
That's not what I'm trying to say.
You are trying to say that because you don't get it. And you are not part of the generation that knows how to do these things.
Yes, I am. Maybe I just should leave.
Well, then why don't you go?
Well, then fine, I will. I'll leave you alone.
Why don't you just
I'll leave
go?
you alone, and then you figure out what you want
Yeah,
to do.
and I say you don't come back now, here.
Fine.
Yeah, good. Because you don't know what you do. And you're going to say what you're going to say. And you're going to say. He doesn't even know. He doesn't know how this works. No, he don't. He don't know how it works there. You gotta come in here and you gotta put on the old Creole voice. And you go there here and draw the teeth. Come on in here and get yourself something cool to drink. Yeah, we can't see because the darn hand in the way. Come on now. There you go. Now we can see. Yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, that's better. I guarantee. I done guarantee. Oh, I got a notification. Oh wait, that's him again. What's he saying? Just to let you know, you don't have any idea how to say Cerberus. Idiot. Yeah, well, you ain't coming in here because I'm gonna lock the door. Good. Door's locked. Alright, door's locked. Just us. It's just us now. There's no one come in here. Oh.
Hey.
What?
Sorry. Can I come in?
Yeah. Come on in.
I'm sorry about all that. I don't know. I mean, you clearly know what you're doing. I don't know.
Yeah, well, maybe you should realize that sometime. And, maybe you're not quite as good looking as you think you are.
Well, that's not really what we were arguing about.
Well, everybody really says it. They just don't say it to you. So,
I guess they're just entitled to their opinion.
So, let's go ahead and finish this one up. So, if everybody wants to go to the cooldojo.com and get yourself t-shirts, coloring pages, more videos on how to draw, then you should go there.
There's an issue of a comic book on there called Shifter, written and illustrated by me, Charlie Fithian. And you can get a little preview of it, and then if you like what you are reading there, you can get the full thing. Issue 2 is not far away at the time of this recording.
Is it really?
Yeah, we're very close to being done. Very close to being done. And then you can look for this Cerberus picture in the Greek mythology book that's coming out before too long, hopefully. So yeah, while you're stuck at home, just keep tuned in.
Yeah, they're not tuning in. They don't tune into these things. It's not a dial. It's not a radio.
Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, you didn't know.
I didn't think that it was going to be this difficult to do this.
Yes, it's very difficult.
I meant that it's difficult to do this, with you.
What do you mean with me?
Well, you're very overbearing and you don't really let anybody else talk if they disagree with you.
You're fat. You're stupid. No one likes you.
This is what I'm talking about. Nobody wants to be in here. Nobody wants to be in here. I'm trying to help. And plus, you stole my videos. And Stop it. God.
You could take that.
Why'd you do that?
Because you deserved it. And I'll touch on you again. I'll touch on you again.
You should just you could try and
be a
little
nicer.
You can try
and be a little nicer. How about that? You messed up my microphone. So, Here's your Cerberus. Cerberus. Cerberus.
Still don't really get it, do you?
Cerberus.
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 Someday you'll get it.
Someday I'm gonna get you.
I'm not gonna. Next one, I'm gonna do it myself. How about that? And you're not gonna know what it is.
Good. I don't need to know what it is. And you just take that to the bank.